tech fans, buckle up because Apple is coming for Google's crown with a game-changing AI-powered search in Safari. This is GadInsider, and today we're diving into the ultimate search engine showdown. Stick around to find out how this could change the way you surf the web. Google's been king of search forever, but reports are buzzing that Apple's planning to shake things up with AI search tools in Safari. And get this, Google's parent company just lost $150 billion in market value after the news dropped. Let's break it down. According to sources, Apple's actively looking at supercharging Safari with its own AI-powered search features. Why? To challenge Google's iron grip on the search market. For years, Google's been the default search engine on Apple devices, reportedly paying Apple a whopping $20 billion a year to stay there. But Apple's ready to cut the cord and go all on its own tech. Safari's search volume dropped last month as users flocked to AI-assisted alternatives. Meanwhile, Google's bragging about growth in visual and voice searches, saying their engine's more useful than ever. But Apple's not backing down. With AI, they're betting Safari can deliver smarter, faster, and more personalized results. When the news hit, Alphabet, Google's parent company, saw shares tank by 7.3% in a single day. That's a $150 billion hit. Industry insiders are buzzing that Apple's move could reshape how millions access the internet. Imagine searching with AI that knows your habits, prioritizes privacy, and integrates seamlessly with your iPhone, iPad, or Mac. This isn't just a browser update, it's a power move. But Google's not going down without a fight. They're doubling down on their own AI and leaning into features like voice and visual search. The question is, can Apple's AI outsmart the search giant? So what does this mean for you? If Apple pulls this off, you could get a faster, more intuitive search experience right in Safari, possibly with fewer ads and better privacy, something Apple's always championed. But if Google steps up its game, we might see both companies racing to give you the best search tools yet. Either way, the internet as we know it is about to evolve. That's the scoop on Apple's bold plan to take on Google with AI search and Safari. What do you think? Will Apple dethrone the search king? Or is Google untouchable? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech updates from GadInsider.